Hi Kidlets! As you know, I am not here. These are your instructions for Friday, October 24th. The first 15 minutes of class, you are going to be finishing up your jigsaw from last class. Remember, you cannot copy. You'll need to finish up your section. You will then need to teach your partner about the section that you had. Don't forget that you guys each need to add the evidence to your article's map and answer that question in the middle about how Hesse's idea is built upon Wegener's. So I will be stamping that when I come back to class on Tuesday, so you will keep that in your binders. That will go into your packets, just like I reminded you guys last time. If you're in second period, there are students who know who they are, who they will be stamping for you. So again, make sure that the map is done, and those students will be checking to make sure that that is done correctly. If you get finished early, within those 20 minutes, you can be working on your vocab, but no one should be doing nothing. And keep in mind that you have the second section of your study guide assigned as well, so next week I will be stamping both. The next 20 minutes, you guys will be going to my website, so hurstscience.com. Hopefully you've got this on your main page of your phone or saved to your home screen. So then we go to Earth Science. If you look here in the left-hand side, I have two windows open. If you look on the left-hand side under current unit, I've got plate tectonics, absences, which is obviously where you should always be checking for your absent work and agendas. And then I have Nearpod. You're going to click on where it says Nearpod.
Oh, baby.
And right here, there is your pin. You'll click on Explore, enter in the pin, and you will go through the notes just like we did last class. So you don't need headphones for this, so don't try and fool Mr. Ting that you need headphones, because you don't. But there are activities embedded in. So I will be going through and checking to make sure that you guys did those. Even if you do not have your phone, you still need to do this on your own. You may not share a phone for this. If you are waiting to use someone else's phone, you can go ahead to the Plate Boundaries worksheet, which is what you guys will be doing for the next 20 minutes, just like the board agenda says. So if you're waiting for a phone, you can either be working on your study guide or move on to the Plate Boundaries worksheet. Today is the only time that you will be working on the Plate Boundaries worksheet, and that is due by next class in order to do the food lab. So if you want to do the food lab, you have to have the Plate Boundaries worksheet complete, and it needs to be thorough. That will provide you seriously 75% of your study tools for your next exam is all on that worksheet. So sure, you can skip it and not do a very good job, but it will not help you. Think about what decisions are going to help you to help prepare you for the test and to help prepare your knowledge base and understanding. So after you do the Plate Boundaries worksheet, then you guys will be watching a video. So this should be fairly easy. And again, make sure that you guys are on your phones. You can scroll down. So I will see who you are. Make sure you put in your real names. Please don't put in nicknames. I will not even take the time to try and seek you out to find you if you put in a nickname. So when you get to the activities, if you can't see it all, you can scroll down within it. There are a few activities embedded in. So I will stamp notes, your jigsaw, your study guide, and the Plate Boundaries worksheet all next class, as well as your video questions. So nothing gets turned in today. But as always, if you do have late work, you can place that in the basket with a Hurst buck, and I will get to that next week. Thank you guys, and have a fantastic weekend.